Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are in good health. In today's video, we will be making sausage rolls. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that I'll be using today are 1 kilo of all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of softened margarine, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 whole eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's start by adding all the dry ingredients to the flour. And whisk. I have washed my hands. Add in the margarine and mix them together. Whisk your eggs. And pour them in. Then start adding in the milk. Mix everything together. After that, transfer the dough onto your working area and knead it a bit. Don't over knead it. Cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes while we prepare the filling. Now let's start preparing the filling. Here are the sausages. They have been seasoned already. The two things that I'll be adding to it are a bit of black pepper, and a bit of curry powder. Use your wooden spoon to combine everything. Here is our dough after 30 minutes. We will divide it into 4 pieces and start working with one piece. Roll out the dough. Cut off the edges. Scoop some filling onto the dough. And roll it up. Apply egg wash at the end for it to seal well. Then cut into your desired size. Repeat the same with the remaining pieces. It is time to egg wash them. Poke holes into the rolls. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade. We are done making our sausage rolls. Thank you very much for staying till the end. See you next time. Bye.